Hello and welcome to the World Web Resources Hairstylist Training video. In this session we will be covering part 2 of the Extranet panel. If you remember, on our last video we covered how to change the user and password using this particular link. We talked about border changes and background design changes here. And then on the home page we talked about how to make changes to the two photos on the home panel. Talked about the top panel changes, and then the text, the welcome text on the home page using the HTML editor. Now we will focus our attention on the portfolio page, the contact us page, and then lastly on your address book. So first let's go to the portfolio page, and as a refresher, let's go back to the website for a minute. That's on this page right here. So if you remember, this is the category page. So what we're going to do first is create categories. And so under portfolio, the first link is called categories. So let's click on that. And as you can see, we have two categories, haircuts and updos. If we want to change those, let's say we've want to take out the space here, then all you do is take out the space and click insert new listing, and then the change that you made is going to happen. Same thing with updos. If you want to delete one of them, you click on the delete, check the one you want to delete, and then at the bottom, not at the top, you click the red delete link, and it's going to say, do you really want to delete this item? We're not going to at this case. Let's say that you want to add another category. You click add, type the category that you want in here, make sure it's active, and then click insert new listing, and now the third category is going to appear. Okay, and once you've got all your categories set up, now we want to add photos to each category. So we come back here and click on gallery. These are the photos that are currently residing under the gallery page. Okay? And these are for all the categories. So let's say that we want to add a photo. We click on add. Click on which category it's going to go to. So let's say it's going to go to haircuts. Choose your photo here on your hard drive. If you want a caption, I'm going to put short hairstyle for this particular photo, and then when you click the insert new listing, that particular photo is going to go under the haircuts category, and it's going to have a caption that says short hairstyle. Okay? If you want to delete one of these, again it's the same as the category. You click the delete button, check the boxes in which you want to delete the photo, and then you scroll to the very bottom and click this delete button, and then click OK. And then those photos that you have checked will then automatically be deleted. Okay. Again, all photos within the website have to be a JPEG photo. Next, let's talk about the Contact Us page. And let me show you what that looks like. What we're going to change, or have the ability to change, is this area right through here. It's not going to change the contact form because that's hard-coded into your website. But anything above that is what we're going to work on changing. To change the text on the Contact Us page, it is located right here. So we'll click on this. Again, click on Modify. And it opens up again to an HTML editor similar to that which we discussed on the home page design. If you remember, on the third row of icons, this maximize icon, we'll click on that to open it up. And I'm not really going to discuss this in depth since we've already covered it previously in the homepage HTML editor. But anyway, this is very similar, has all of the same icons, same functions. And again, if you remember, you need to minimize, again, update the information, and you're good to go. The very last thing that we want to concentrate is your address book. Okay, so once you click on that, you click on Contact Us page text. Oh, we're in the wrong section. We're going to go back to the address book. This one down here. Sorry about that. Okay, this currently is the contact address book. So if you take a look at it, and we've got a few listed here. It's got your last name, first name, telephone number, email address, the status. Again, we've got to make sure they're active or inactive, and then you click modify if you want to make changes to each of these. So let's take this first one up here, Susan Avilo. When we click the modify button, it opens up into a page that lists all of Susan's contact information. Again, the red are mandatory fields, the gold is optional field. So the last name, first name, the address, the city, state, zip code, Susan's telephone number, her email address. Now these two are really important from the standpoint of birthday and anniversary, because what we're going to do is when you set these, and again it has to be in this format, or you could just click on this calendar and a calendar box will open up to be able to show you which day, month, and year it's going to be. But if you follow this format for both the birthday and anniversary, you're going to be okay. And what this does is on this particular birthday, 9/6/12, let's say it's going to be September the 6th, you can automatically send out a birthday greeting to Susan. Same thing for her anniversary, if you so desire. It'll be done automatically without you having to manually go in and do that. And I'll show you that in our next video training on the calendar. This is particularly important. This field is also particularly important in the fact that you could put all the notes that you want for Susan Avila. So if you want to put hair formula, got the L on this thing, you can. You could put whatever her style should be, her cut style should be, her any information you want to put about her particular haircut is entered in here, and then you click update information, and that is saved. Again, if you want to delete, click the delete button, check the box by the client that you want to delete, click the delete button, and that's done. If you want to add a client, click on that box. Again, you fill out all these fields. The red are mandatory, the gold are optional fields, and then click the update information, and you've been able to save it. If you want to see everyone that's sitting in your address book, just kind of click on this one, and then it shows you everyone that's currently in your contact book. Okay, it's really that simple. And this part here may be a little bit tedious for you to fill out. But it is important because now it's online. You could go to any one of your clients to see contact information. You also set the birthday and the anniversary, so you could get automatic email distributions sent to all of your clients for their birthdays or their anniversaries. Okay, and it's important also that once you're finished making the changes, you always log out. That way there you close the portal so you don't have spammers going in and trying to send out emails, spam emails to their distribution list. So we click out and you're back to this form again. Okay, well that will do it for now. Again, thank you for your time that you spent with me on this training video. And should you have any questions at all, you could email us at questions@worldwebresources.com. Again, questions@worldwebresources.com, and one of our customer service reps will respond to you in a timely manner. Thank you.